Hi everybody, Stretton Rutherford with AwesomeCashPlan.com, Prosperity People Systems. Welcome, it's summertime 2020. Just wanted to tell you about the specials that are on the webinar. Please see them and please act on them because they will get you into a position for great cash and online payments. It works all the time. I've been doing this in the program now for almost 3 years and doing big ticket, high ticket for close to 20 years actually, in marketing, advertising for about 31 years. This is a great program, everything in place. You can see my prosperity testimonial on the corporate website. Just scroll down towards the bottom and you'll see me there. It's a real program. It's working now better than ever because of what's going on in the world today. You can't beat this program. Everything is in place. The autoresponders, your capture page, the support follow-up system, everything. I have all the advertising in place because I've been doing that for a long time. I have some news sources, still doing postcards and flyers, so you may want to get my strategy for that and my resources. It's a great program. $1,500, $3,500, $7,500 this week. If you're doing $1,500 a day plus average, get some 500s in there, you're going to do really well with this program. It works, like I always say, extremely well. I don't open envelopes full of cash and do all that on my videos. You'll see pictures of that in some of my ads. I have ads everywhere on social media and things like that. But you won't see me doing cash parties and doing these funny little cash opening envelope parties like some people do. I have the proof and you can see it, and you can call me, text me, email me. My information is down below in the link in the description. My websites, everything is in place. Like I always say, I kind of say the same thing in all my videos. Living in Europe right now, doing this primarily in America. This is a global program and it's very easy to implement for beginners. You don't need any experience. Long time ago, I didn't have any experience in this type of program, and I'm doing well, and I would like to impart my wisdom and my strategy and my ad sources and everything else to you, and I will help you. And in most cases, do a lot of the work for you. You just need to reach out to me, call me on my toll-free hotline, call me on my direct cell number, text me, email me. I'm very easy and to access. I do this full time. I'm semi-retired and I will help you. Prosperity People Systems is a great program. AwesomeCashPlan.com or EverydayATM.com. And then you'll see my numbers below. Give me a call and let's talk strategy. Let's get you started as soon as possible. This is a great time right now. Really get in. The water is fine, like I say. The strategies are in place. The advertising is in place. The support is in place. I'm Stretton Rutherford, and I've been doing this for close to 20 years. I can be your mentor, and I will help you. Let's talk now. I'm here right now waiting for your call. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.